Hey Altaf, I figured it would be easier to explain this way what's going on. So this is an appointment that was set and the leads were not saved in the field that relate to. But if you come down to the relationship, it did save. But when you take this and you enter it in to the related like it should be, and then I save, this is correct now, but this is gone. So, but I needed to be able to keep both the relationship and that field intact. That way, this being missing is what is causing my reports to display blank fields. Here. This report's still messed up too. The dates are not right at all, as far as the values displaying. But that's why I get the blank whites here instead of the actual information like it's supposed to, because the relationship is missing. Other than that is it. Thank you.